Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the latest from the firm and is set to arrive this Friday at wireless carriers in the United States. Without further delay, let's go ahead and cut open this box and check out what's on the inside. As you saw in the beginning, there is an outer sleeve that must be removed first, and then a sticker here that you must slice open. As soon as you open the package, you will be greeted with a small box. This box has the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus logo, and it has manuals as well as the SIM removal tool. Putting that aside, we can see the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus front and center, and underneath that there are various accessories like the USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. This can be used to attach various accessories to the phone. Next we have the Samsung wall adapter. This is a fast charging unit and does have a Type-A connection on the side. Along with the AC adapter, Samsung is also packaging in a set of AKG earbuds. You can see these here, and the cabling is quite nice. It is a braided exterior. Also, there is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. And finally, there are an extra set of rubber tips for the earbuds that are included. Now let's get on to the actual handset itself, removing the front protector and also the rear one. We can see the handset is quite sleek and it looks very similar to last year's model. The S9 Plus does have a dual camera sensor, and on the left hand side has a volume rocker with Bixby key. On the right hand side you'll have your power button. On the rear you'll have the dual cameras. On the bottom you'll have the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C, and also a speaker grill. We'll go ahead and skip through the setup process. The Galaxy S9 is running Samsung's custom UI over Android Oreo. The handset itself is a T-Mobile variant. And launching in, you can see there are very little apps in terms of bloatware. There are the standard Google apps, Samsung apps, and also a few T-Mobile apps. We hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.